Okay, we've got another problem here, and this is about whether or not to discontinue a department. And this company in Chicago has 3 departments: men's, women's, and accessories. They allocate all fixed expenses. So now they're saying that it's unavoidable building depreciation and utilities. And you can understand that. Like if you have a building, you can't just decrease the depreciation on the building. If you get rid of a department, okay, you still have the building. So these are unavoidable fixed costs, and they allocate them based on each department's square footage. And this is their operating data for the 3rd quarter of the current year. And you can see that the men's department is making money. The women's department is making a little bit less. I'm surprised. It always seems like women's clothes are more expensive, and the accessories department is losing money. Okay, so the store will remain in the same building regardless of whether the departments are discontinued. Should Divine Fashion discontinue any of the departments? Okay, so the thing of it is, with this accessories department, looks like the obvious one to discontinue, but you'll lose $11,000 in contribution margin. Okay, and you'll also still have that $26,000 of fixed expenses. So it doesn't make any sense to get rid of it. If you could get rid of the costs, get rid of the fixed expenses too, that would make a difference. Okay, here's the solution here for the book. All right, and the big thing is you still have this cost and you lose the contribution margin. Okay.